Welcome back guys to another video on the 143. So since the last video we've had a few more quite exciting developments. We now have the back side of our lockers painted a nice shiny red. So the question is, today, can we get those back on the truck? We're hoping we can, so we're going to have a go at this today. We've got some rubber pads that we've made for our body mounts, and we're going to be sitting underneath there and there for the bodies to sit on. So we're going to have a good go at this today, and hopefully by the end of this episode these will be back on there. But before we do that, we've got a couple of bits we need to finish off first. So we need to get this fuel tank stack pipe in and get this piped up. We've also got to get our fuel cut-off tap back on. So that's the fuel tank now all piped up. We've got a temporary wheel there to go on this front end so that we can move this truck around. So the question now is, are they going to fit back on there? What we're thinking. Bearing in mind we've had all the bottoms of these chopped out, we've had to remake these body mounts, so we're hoping we've got our measurements right and that these brackets are welded back on in the right position. So very shortly we're going to start to move some stuff around in the workshop. I'm going to get some room around here, get this truck out, and we're going to try and spin this around this way, put this one on the truck where it is, and then we're going to have to move the truck out, turn it round, drive it back in, and then do the same with that and lift it on. So fingers crossed guys, here we go. Let's see if these bodies go back on this chassis. show you in here now. Called the redness. Now that side locker's on. There's a hell of a lot of red in there. It's our cover that we fitted earlier. I think you'll agree that looks pretty damn good in there now. Here's all the pipes we covered earlier. We've run some more conduit up here and up into these winches to side of that up as well. Happy days.
Go for it.
Right guys, so we've got this one side on now. Wasn't too difficult to be fair. We've had to put some temporary spacers up in here for now, just to keep this at the correct height so that we don't bottom out down there. We've put those in temporarily. We are going to get some new ones. We can just lift this body up, slide the proper ones in at that point. So we've now got this side rigged up, all chained up, stackers under it, and we're ready for sliding this side on. So hopefully this side will go as smoothly, everything will line up like it did on the other side. I'll show you these body bolts on the front, slid back on perfectly, which means our cross members and everything that we've had fabricated was spot on. Got a temporary bolt in there. I don't know if you can see, can't see it really, but that hole basically is lined up perfectly. So that's absolutely spot on. Couldn't have asked for anything better than that really. So let's do this side. Fingers crossed it fits. let's have it. They're going to now paint these on the truck because we would have absolutely destroyed them if they was in paint. As you can see, we've got some marks across here. So you can imagine if that was in fresh paint, we'd be quite annoyed right now. So that's why we didn't paint them before we fitted them. But they're now in position. We've got some temporary bolts inside, in there, just for now. Because we're waiting for the proper bolts to arrive. We need some M18s in there, which we've not got yet. And we're also waiting for the big rubber pads, correct ones that fit under there, to get this body positioned in the right location. We've got it somewhat near, because obviously this should be level there, which it is. So we've just, as I say, put some temporary blocks under it for now, which is looking good. A few bits of fettling left to do just on these bottom edges. A couple of little bits here and there, which Tom can now sort. It was difficult trying to do that while these were on the floor. So now they're up and we've got some height. We can see them better. We can see exactly what needs finishing. We've still got to attach a pipe from here to the fuel filler neck. So there's plenty of stuff that still wants doing. Take you on this side for a look. Same again around here. These are on as well. Same again, a couple of temporary bolts just to hold them on. Well, there we go. That is a good day. It's now looking like a truck again. Once that's on, up there, that'll make a massive difference and that'll just finish it off nicely. We've also got our one-piece wings up there, what you can see, which are going to line this whole section. And you'll notice there the wheels actually protrude the body slightly. So these wings will sit out a little bit and fill the distance between the body and the wheel. So we can now start to play about and start running some wiring looms in and stuff while Tom's finishing off these lockers and the flyer. Plenty to do. Well, that is some good progress today. Really happy with that. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop us some comments, let us know what you think. Have a watch of some of the other episodes before this if you're only just joining this project. I think we're episode 36 now, so plenty to watch. We'll see you on the next one.